In this video, I'll be talking through the steps I took to make this custom tabletop. This is for a TV stand. Check it out. So gluing up this top is really simple, actually. You just need a couple clamps, some wood glue, and some patience. So this is pressure treated lumber on the customer's request for the TV stand. I'm using Titebond 2 wood glue, yellow wood glue here. And you see my pipe clamps I laid down first. I'm gluing those together and spreading the glue and then clamping it all together. The pieces on the end are wood cauls to make sure it's all aligned. Once that dries, take the belt sander here and sand everything smooth. You're going to have a little bit of a line where the glue is, so definitely want to erase that and make sure everything is flat. I started with an 80 grit sandpaper, hit both sides with that, went against the grain to start, and then with the grain on the second or third pass, and then flipped it over and finished it off with 120 grit sandpaper. Turned out really well, so I wanted to make sure it was nice and smooth. It's going to be a TV stand, so went back and filled the knots. This is CA glue, and I'm spraying Instant Bond accelerator on it. Once that dries, it takes 30 seconds to dry. Went back with the random orbit sander and hit it again with 120 grit sandpaper to make sure it was all smooth. Next step is to do a little trim piece here. I'm using a round over, but I dropped the round over bit a little bit further than absolute flush, so it creates that sort of step up profile there. Turned out really nice. So this is just a trim router, and turned it around and did the other side here. Tried not to overcomplicate this one, and I think it turned out really nicely. Here's a close-up of the edge profile, and then I attached this to the TV stand. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, and God bless.